I just helped a customer with a 13-inch M2 Air, just like this one, in midnight. Hey Mac friends, it's Dana here again from Mac Medics. So the device I checked out had no display on the screen at all. And we got out a flashlight, we were like cleaning it, and we noticed that the screen just wasn't cleaning the same way. And the screen was all smeary, for lack of a better term. So when we investigated a little bit more, we noticed when we tapped on the back, it sounded kind of plasticky. And when I compared the Apple logo here to the Apple logo there, and I like drew my finger across it, it had a different feel. And then when we looked at it on the edge, you could see that the midnight blue was two different colors between the bottom half and the top half of the screen. Plus, when we looked at the bottom, this screw was sticking out probably about 2 millimeters, and the screw was stripped. We couldn't screw it back in again. So what we think happened is the son broke it, didn't want to tell dad, had it fixed at one of these you break, I fix type of places, and the screen died because it wasn't broken as far as we could tell. Plus, the uncertified Mac technicians stripped out the screw on the bottom of the computer. So with those little pieces of information, plus the fact that the color and the feel of the screen was wrong, we're pretty sure that's what happened. Now, you can get a screen fixed very inexpensively when it's a counterfeit screen. And you know it's counterfeit because if it's not Apple and it has the Apple logo on it, that means it's counterfeit. You're not allowed to put the Apple logo on it unless it's the real, genuine article. So whoever paid to have the screen fixed outside of Apple just wasted their money. And now it's probably not worth fixing. Plus, we have the variable that somebody that was untrained was inside the machine. Also, you've heard me say this before, all modern Macs like this and all of these machines here all have embedded hard drives, which means if something goes wrong with the logic board inside, not the screen, you could lose all of your data if you're not backed up. Get started with Time Machine now. I tell customers I'm like the Undertaker, and I get to see fine folks lose their data nearly every day because they're not backed up. So make sure you back up your Mac with Time Machine. It's free. All you need is an external hard drive. Make sure you back up your iPhone and your iPad with iCloud backup, which you can do directly with Apple starting at $1 a month right on your device. If you need help with either of those two things, just stop by the shop or give us a call, and we'll be delighted to give you a hand.